All right, guys, I'm screen mirroring my iPhone here on the right side so I can show you guys the RTS Pro app and show you how much money we saved using their fuel card. So I'll open their app, and then if you click fuel, you click over here where it says savings. It'll show you how much you saved in the last 30 days and how much you saved year to date. So now we're in October. So from January to October, we saved over $2,200 on one truck using the RTS Fuel Card discount. And over here on the computer, we have the same thing opened up so I can show you guys the different options they have when you use the mobile app or the computer. So right now I just typed in Columbus, Ohio, and it'll show me all the fuel stations that are around the area that are offering discounts using the RTS fuel card. So for example, if I click this Pilot over here, their retail price is actually $3.79, but RTS is giving us a 49-cent discount, and we are only paying $3.30 if we were to fuel up here at this location. Another cool feature that they have is you can click search route. So for example, if my driver was starting off in Columbus, Ohio, and they were going to, let's say, Atlanta, I would put that there, and you can do this on the app as well and give access to your drivers so that when they're doing their route planning, they can find the fuel stations that have the best discounts. So on this route, we can kind of zoom in and we can see all the different fuel station options. So if I go to like this Pilot here, their retail price is $3.85, but we're getting 72 cents off, and we would be paying $3.13 if we fueled up at this location. So it's been definitely a game changer using a fuel card. It makes it easy for you to just give your driver the fuel card. They fuel up at the cheaper options, and you're able to save money at the pump. Also, it works kind of like a credit card because you fuel up this week and then they'll take it out on Monday. For example, if you fueled up all this week, then they'll take it out of your account on Monday. So you have like 7 days to use the fuel card, and then you pay. So that's another benefit as well. If you're interested in signing up for the RTS fuel card, it's free to sign up. Please click the link in the description. It is an affiliate link, and you can select the services here. They do have factoring, software. If you just want the fuel card, you click fuel and input your information, and an RTS rep will reach out to you.